If you don't make time for your wellness, you will be forced to make time for your illness. If you do not make time for your wellness, you will be forced to make time for your illness. I want to give an example. From exercise. Many people don't want to do exercise. Many people are lazy to face the pain of exercise. But exercise is one of the best ways we can make our life healthy. But most of us don't want to exercise. We choose to dodge it. We choose not to go for the pain. Yet most of the diseases common these days are lifestyle diseases, which comes from lack of exercise. Obesity leading to a lot of cholesterol in the belly reduces the resistance of the immune system to diseases attack. So we succumb to it. Let in your life bad things like diseases or illness come due to bad luck or accident. So please make time for your wellness so that you don't be forced to make time for your illness.